Hello, today I teach you lesson 2 of English of class 9th, Sindh textbook board, Jamshoro. The lesson 2 is Shah Abdul Latif Bhittai. This is the lesson. In this lesson, some information about Shah Abdul Latif Bhittai has been given. But as Shah Abdul Latif was a great poet, scholar and saint, so the information which has been given in the lesson is not sufficient. Keeping in view this, I have collected some more information about Shah Abdul Latif Bhittai, which I have written on the whiteboard. I want to give you this information. Before we read the lesson, I give you this information about Shah Abdul Latif Bhittai. His early life. Shah Abdul Latif was born in 1689 AD, 1102 Hijra, at a small village called Hala Haveli. His forefathers had come from Herat. Herat is in Afghanistan. His father's name was Sayyid Habib Shah, who was a mist and a scholar. His mother was a daughter of Shah Dayani. Shah Abdul Latif spent his early life in Kotri Mughal. Kotri Mughal, it is a village. He got his early education from Akhund Nur Muhammad Bhatti. As a young boy, he fell in love with Saida Begum, a daughter of Mughal Beg Argun. In her love, he faced great difficulties also, but he was successful. It is assumed that he became poet after that event. At the age of 20, he started composing poetry. He married with Saida Begum also and showed her great love and respect and spent much of time with her in domestic life. But at the age of 20, his age against changed. He started composing poetry as a poet. He was a great poet and a saint. His poetry teaches us struggle, love of man, Tawheed, Tasawwuf, etc., etc. He died in 1752 AD, 1165 Hijra, on Monday, the 14th Safar. It is a Muslim calendar. After sunset, his tomb was built by Ghulam Shah Kaloro, a ruler of Sindh, in 1754 AD, 1167 Hijra. His tomb was constructed by a skilled mason named Ethan. This is some of the information which is not in the lesson. Some more information is in lesson, and when we will read this lesson, we will learn about Shah Abdul Latif Bhittai. But this was a brief life history of Shah Abdul Latif Bhittai which I have given you, and some of these things are not mentioned in the lesson, so I have written these things on whiteboard. This is for your knowledge and information. Thank you very much.